Inside this video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code inside your Macintosh. First, you will go on internet and you will write Visual Studio Code or Visual Code, and you will click on this link. Good. The next thing is to download it. So I will click on Download for Mac. If you have the pop-up Download for Mac M1, then do it. Then I will click Allow, and this will download VS Code. When I say VS Code is Visual Studio Code, it's the same thing. Then I will click on VS Code. This will open a pop-up. I will say Open. This is just asking if I want to open an app downloaded from the internet. I will close the internet page, and now you can see we have Visual Studio opened. I will close the pop-up, and I will maximize the screen. I will then click on Open Folder, and I will go find my project with Flutter. So I will go on Home, which is my MacBook, Android Studio project, and I will click on Flutter App Testing. Next, I will click on Library, and I will click on main.dart. You will see this pop up, the Marketplace as extension. Click on Search Marketplace. This will open all the extension for Visual Studio, and then inside you will write, by example, so you can just click the tab and you can write ext column Dart, and you will install Dart and Flutter. You need to install these two extensions. It's important to work with Flutter. Next, we will install something else. Call it the Awesome Flutter Snippet. And this will be useful to make our life easier with Flutter. We will then download another one, and this one will be the Bracket Pair Coralizer 2. This you click Install. You will see if you go back inside your main.dart file, you see this is with the pair bracket coralizer, and this is without. And this is with. You see the difference? You can have all your bracket with colors, so it's easier to understand Flutter. The next thing we will download is the material icon theme. So I will install this, and you will see if we go back inside our files, you see we have now icons before all tab. After, you will press on the play button and you will select Start Pixel. This will trigger the emulator. Make sure that you are inside the main.dart file to press the play button. You will maybe have a pop-up saying Dart Dev Tools include right there. I will just click Never Ask Again. Perfect. And if you have the Mac M1, maybe you will not be able to trigger the emulator, and we have a solution for this on the next video. On the next video, we will install Xcode with the simulator of Apple. So see you in the next one.